death of High Chief, and what will you be remembering him for?
Well, definitely I was shocked. I mean, for some days after the news, I was sad. My wife and members of my family saw it in me because you see, I have lost a very close friend. I have lost a Nigerian who is not tribal, who has not, who is very tribalized, a very kind person. He has shown respect and love for me many times. During my 75th birthday, he gave me free AIT services. When we buried one of our greatest politicians, who was the oldest, in fact, in the Abubakar government that he died, he gave Mbazlike Amechi, who was then the Minister of Aviation, he gave us free AIT services. He has always patronized Igbos. That is why here, we don't come in this visit. You have the Igbo nation coming. This is a visit by Igbo nation. I am the leader of Igbos. I have led a team of Igbos. You have a traditional institution, leaders, like person sitting here, is one of the greatest elders, Samuel Okeke. So all these people you see here, Igbos hardly go in this fashion, only when a great man, because we say that a great tree has fallen. So when a great tree falls, that's how Igbos move. He's a great man, and we are sad. But as I told you, we are consoled by the fact that he has achieved a lot. A man who pioneered the establishment of communication, television and radio. I mean, at first, many people didn't even know it can be done by an individual. People thought it was by government. He made it possible. He has left a mark. Whenever history of Nigeria is written, whenever history of communication is written, it is there forever that Raymond is the person who started it off. So God, he has achieved a lot. He is a very kind man. He always supports the hungry, the sick, the poor. So God definitely will bless him. Igbos everywhere. This visit is known by all our people. Many of our people, even Igbos abroad, most of them know, and they have whatever I say here, I say on their behalf. They have said to the family that he should accept our sympathy, and we pray God to accept him. And we want the family and the company to know that we are with them. We are going to support them. We are going to stand by them at all times.